Hey guys, welcome back to episode 9 of my series on cooking basics and essentials. Here's yet another recipe for beginners, which I'm sure you're gonna love. So today we're going to make an oven-baked salmon with red pepper pesto, an aromatic lemon basmati rice, and some green beans flavored with some coconut flakes. So let's get started right now. So I love my salmon towards the medium rare side, which is close to 125F. If you have one lying around, use a meat thermometer to really gauge the doneness of the salmon to your preference. If you don't like the pinkness in the salmon and you like it more well done, you want to look at close to 140s, but don't go over 145 or it's going to become unedible. So we're going to oven bake the salmon, which is going to be really easy and simple. Right now my oven is preheating at 450, so let's start working on our salmon. So here are 2 fillets of salmon. So first season it with some salt. That's it, some salt. And now here I have some red pepper pesto, which I got from the local Italian deli. It's super delicious, a little spicy, and it's just going to be great with this salmon. So I'm using a little pastry brush. Just brush this pesto onto our salmon. As you start doing this, you start smelling the aroma from the pesto, and it's so good that I just want to eat this raw. Is that bad? Now let's put this fish into the oven. Looks beautiful, and let's cook this until it reaches the temperature of 125. Now let's go ahead and start making our rice. So now let's measure some rice into our bowl. We're making 1 cup of rice. Now rinse the rice with some cold water. And you want to rinse it again and again until the water is no longer cloudy and it's as close to clear as you can get it. So we are doing this to get rid of any excess starch so that when we cook our rice, it's super nice and fluffy. Add half of the oil into the pot and let it heat. Now add a touch of cumin seeds and let it toast. Next, add in your rice. Give it a stir. You mix this and saute for 1 minute. Now add in 2 cups of water. So the ratio is 1 to 2. So since we used 1 cup of rice, we'll use 2 cups of water. Now turn the heat up to high and bring up to a boil. So once it has come up to a boil, lower the heat to medium low and cover and cook gently until the rice is fluffy and cooked. Let's start on the beans by first heating up oil on our pan here. So now into this, let's add in our favorite convenient frozen green beans just to make things that much easier. There's no trimming required, no washing. Just put it in the pan. Season with salt and pepper. I think the rice is done now, so let's check. Wow, so our rice is done now. Looks beautiful. You see every grain. Just fluff it up and keep it covered with the heat off until the rest of our ingredients are completely cooked. Now just add in some grated garlic. Turn off the heat. There's enough residual heat in the pan to cook that garlic off. Also, our beans have some delicious caramelized spots. And now finally, sprinkle in the grated coconut. Give it a nice mix and let it sit on the heat for about a minute. So our salmon is ready. That looks beautiful. I cooked it to 125 to a medium. And that just looks finger licking good. And mind you, this salmon was ready in under 10 minutes. And this looks absolutely beautiful. So our beans are ready, our salmon is ready, our rice is ready. Let's start plating right now. So let's add our beans first, followed by our beautiful piece of salmon. I've taken the skin off. After it's baked, you can easily peel it off. It's easier than peeling potatoes. Finally, we have our beautiful, fragrant basmati rice with cumin. We're gonna finish this off with a nice squeeze of lemon juice. So there you have it, guys. This was a really simple dish which used both the stove and the oven. So you tried two different techniques at the same time. We saw how simple it was, and you can always use these basic techniques and really elevate your skills and try some of my more advanced recipes by clicking some of them right here. I hope you guys liked this video and you're gonna enjoy this meal. If you want more videos like this, check out my series on cooking basics and essentials by clicking the link down below. You can also subscribe to my channel to see more awesome recipes just like this. Until then, stay hungry and I'll see you again on the next one.